Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me that's colorblind, and he actually said colorblind green and red. I know nothing about that. Well, when he changes his pen, he can't tell what color it is. And it's the same thing over here on your palette. If you will just hover, not click, don't do anything, and you can see this is red 255 or R 255. If you hit F12 on your keyboard with nothing selected, you get the graphic, and we're going to set ours. I'm using somebody else's deal that uh, somebody else's file that they sent. I just erased it, and I'm going to go ahead and change it to RGB because I'm a laser engraver. And then you get the color palette. Well, he says if he double clicks on it, he can't tell what color it is. Well, don't click it. Just hover over the color and it's going to tell you green or R255, green G255, yellow, which is R255, and green 255. So you can just hover over, and then when you get it set what you want, just say okay, and then every time you draw an object, it'll have a red 255, and I have mine set on hairline. So just think about that. Do not click on a color. Like you can see that that's black 000, which is 100% black. Well, this is 90% black. And you can see it actually tells you up top right there 90%, 26, 26, 80%, 70%. So just hover over your colors. Hope that helped him, and thank you for watching.